What's happening, insecticidal gang? Yes, I'm on camera right now, but today we're here, as you probably saw on the at the title. Today we're here to do an unboxing. I want to give a quick shout out to Steve Gaelic, also known as the Flava King. Going to unbox some Seedling bundles from him today. That's what we got going on. I just want y'all to kind of see what I got going on, and I'm going to explain to you why buying Seedling bundles. He offers a ton of them. When I was first getting started, I bought a lot of Seedling bundles from him, you know, north of probably like 5 or 6. And then he released some a couple weeks ago. Got these, and then when this video drops, the same night he should be releasing some more from what he told me. So after you watch this video, go ahead and follow his social media, which will be in the description of this video, and I'm gonna link his eBay account, which will also be in the description of this video. And go ahead and save him as a seller, as a preferred seller, or whatever they call it on eBay, so that you can be ready when he drops these bundles. Because I'm telling you, when this video comes out and I kind of drop these gems on y'all will be trying to buy these bundles too. So what I mean by that is, I feel like, especially for somebody getting started, buying bundles from people like this, and like I said, he offers a ton of them. He grows a ton of seedlings out, and he offers a bunch of seed up too. But for the ones he grows out, what he's not going to use, he offers them up to the community. And I mean, I can't remember exactly what I paid for these, but it wasn't very much. I mean, we're going to open them up and see how many plants we got, but with a little bit of patience and some delayed gratification, you can take a bundle of seedlings where it may be 5 seedlings. Some of the bundles I've gotten from him had 12 and 15 seedlings in them, where you paying a fee where it really boils down to like $2 a plant, $3 a plant, because you're playing the waiting game. You're gonna wait to see what you end up with. I'll pan to some of my seedlings that I've gotten, and most notably, I've got a fire copper top flava that I got from him just last year. It was this big when I got it, and that thing is probably about 15 inches tall now. So, like I said, a little bit of delayed gratification and a lot of patience, and you get these seedling bundles, you pot them up, and you just let them grow, and you'll end up with a bunch of plants. And it's a good way to grow your collection for not a lot of money, and you end up with a bunch of genetically unique seedlings that you can sell off or trade or breed with on your own once they're ready to flower and stuff like that. So we're gonna get this box open, see what we got. See y'all in a second. All right, so let's get up in this box, see what we have. Now I know I ordered, I'm on a big North Carolina, South Carolina, Virginia flava kick. So what I did was I bought a bundle, I bought 2 bundles of seedlings, if I remember correctly, that are pure North Carolina flavas. So let's see what we ended up with, because he had a couple of bundles for each on his eBay page. Let's get up in this thing without exposing my address. I don't want no creepy stuff going on. There they go, right there. Some packing material, get that out the way. So this is what you'll get. And he includes some really nice printed tags. So as you can see right here, yeah, Sarracenia flava, Harnett County, North Carolina Maxima, crossed with a Harnett County darker vein or nada. And then you'll have your seedlings, and then they'll be wrapped up in wet paper towel just to keep those roots moist until they get to their destination. And these things are packed, I mean, superbly. Everything's, you know, sealed in plastic. That way it keeps the moisture in. But this cross here is Sarracenia flava from Duplin County, or Duplin County, North Carolina, Clone B, crossed with a Flava Ornata from Wilmington, North Carolina. So these are pure North Carolina genetics, which is, like I said, that's what I'm on. Let's dig into this one right here and see what we got. And oh yeah, let me warn you, before you do stuff that I be doing when I'm rushing, keep these separate. Because if you look at them right now, you can't tell what is what. So I'm not gonna open this one yet. I'm gonna put this one out the way because I don't want to cross the seedlings. And then you end up not knowing which crosses what, and yeah. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's get them out of there. And what you're gonna have is a bundle. And there's gonna be a bunch of seedlings in here with their roots wrapped up together. So what I'm gonna do is go in and see exactly what we're working with. Look at that. So like I said, this is a very inexpensive way to grow your collection without spending a ton of money. But that's one. And look at the roots on these things. One thing about the Flava King, he grows his seedlings and his plants like, I mean, I've never gotten one from him that didn't have an immaculate root system, didn't have, you know, a great color. Even when it comes to the adult plants, he sells divisions of his mature plants too. So, you know, that's 4, 5. So look, we ended up with 15 seedlings in that bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So like I said, for a small fee, I ended up with 15 seedlings, and all of these are genetically unique. So there's gonna be differences between each one of these plants. Like you can already see some of the color forms starting to take shape in some of these. Like this one may very well be a copper top. You know, this one may very well end up being a Maxima. Don't know yet, or a Varflava. But yeah, man, that's the thing right there. I'm not gonna open the other bundle because I don't want to mix them up. I'm gonna get these potted up real quick and then I'll be right back to you. So all right, folks, so today we unboxed that seedling bundle. We got it potted up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one potted up. But yeah, man, hey, check those sales out. He'll have some more up there Saturday evening or afternoon, sometime around there. But yeah, always just save his eBay page, and you know, the quality, the quality is always top notch. You know, I wouldn't put anybody up here that doesn't you know, have great customer service and that doesn't you know, have good quality plants. I mean, he's got one of the largest Flava collections in the United States, you know, if not the largest Flava collection. A lot of location data specimens. I mean, if you're around the hobby, you've probably heard his name before. But yeah, I'm telling you, get these seedlings. You know, we're gonna be checking in on these in a couple of months before dormancy sets in. These should have enough time to acclimate and start growing pictures before dormancy comes in. So, you know, we're gonna post updates about them. We'll see you guys next time. I appreciate you checking it out. And like I said, catch these sales, man. And then, you know, you can build some big old bogs like these. Insecticidal out. See y'all later.